Oh, good evening again. Just thought I'd do another little quick video here. Another future project, which hopefully we'll be seeing fairly soon. I need to get some things cleaned up and make some room before I start tackling certain things. But just a neat thing. I've never seen. I ran across a little miniature spool here quite a few years ago. But these are a little bit hard to come by now. Sometimes you can get the big ones, but unfortunately they're a little bit pricier to make now than they were 20 some years ago when I think I got this. And really neat. The plans I have for this one is to make a coffee table for my man cave out here in the workshop, and just kind of keep it bare bones. Going to clean it up a little bit, and let me show you here. It's been kicking around for a while. Little splotches of paint on it. Had to use it a couple of times as a makeshift table, but I don't know. I think these things are really cool. There's a lot of potential, and I might digress for a moment here and talk about, just reclaiming things and repurposing things. I think it's a nice deal to take something and make it something else, and then you have something a lot more unique. You have a handcrafted item that's something that you put labor and love into, something that's your own idea. You can put your own idea and let that vision flow, get your own stuff out into the world, make your own thing. When you have a handcrafted item, you repurpose something into something new, what have you. You got something very unique. That's not something you can buy at any store. Yeah, there's a lot of people out there doing a lot of really awesome things and showing their creativity, but doing your own thing. But I thought some people might enjoy this, seeing my little spool, and this has been on the back burner for a long time. I know when I first got it, I had the idea, I'm going to make a table out of that. It's going to be awesome. It's like, yeah, it will be awesome, but it hasn't happened yet. So, as we know, life gets in the way, but I think it'll be pretty awesome. There's the plans. I just have to put basically just going to put some 2x4 stock on the bottom for feet, and I do have to do a little bit to raise things up here. I have to, you can see, you got the bolts here that hold it all together. These stick up a little bit, so I'm going to have to put something down before I have a top for it that I acquired through, whatever means that I have. I don't know, I tend to end up with things. But tend to acquire things from various sources, or I see something and it catches my eye and say that's still good, which I don't know, sometimes I think is a curse, because then I'm dragging home all sorts of junk, but which can cause problems. However, but yeah, it's a neat thing. Just a quick little show and tell, I guess, here today, but this is just going to spur me to making these videos and showing everybody out in the world. It's hopefully going to spur me to some action, and we'll get some things done, which I need to get off my butt. It was a cold winter last winter, so we're coming back into spring, and I need to get cracking and do some stuff. So, and then again, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you. Like the videos, what have you. If you don't like them, don't like them. So, the choice is yours. Thank you for watching.